Hi everyone, Trolley here. This time I'm in Turkey and this is my review of the hotel Marriott, which is a brand new hotel right in the city center of Izmir. And Izmir, by the way, is I think the second largest or the third largest city in whole Turkey. 4 million citizens living here. It's a great city to visit first of all, and it's very rich of history. It was built by the Greeks, if I'm not mistaken, and later on ruled by the Romans, the Ottoman Empire, and so it's a city of, as you can see, of huge contrast. You have here churches, Christianity is here, Muslims, and so on. So all that is basically a city where East meets West. Let's go check out the room. Follow me, guys. How'd you like it? It's very spacious. Here's a beautiful sofa. I can, chill out and relax, read a book, whatever. Then when I open this curtain, I have this magnificent view here down to the sea. What I like about this view is that I can enjoy my view directly from the bed. As you can see, I had such a good night's sleep today, so it's amazing. And you wake up to this beautiful view there outside, and at the same time, what's special about and interesting about this room is I can also have here this. When I open these curtains here, I have the city view to the nice historic building as well. And there's the sea view, and this is the highlight of the room. One of the highlights, sorry, everything's highlight in this room, but you can also make here a nice coffee. You don't have to go to the breakfast area. Here's a mini bar, it's filled. This time it's filled. Not then when I stayed in Asia, remember the hotels, all the mini bars were empty, I don't know why. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the bathroom. Check it out. High quality marble. You don't find this stuff in Europe, by the way. What I like about, also the toilet is that shower here. I like it so much. I don't know why we don't have them in Europe. Why? This is so much more hygienic. Yeah, cleans your ass, everything. You know what I mean? Spa time. Follow me, ladies and gentlemen. As I said, they have everything here. Swimming pool on the rooftop, sauna here in the ground floor. No, this is not the ground floor, on the down floor. And there is the indoor swimming pool. How crazy is that? Enough said, resting time. That was some hot sauna. Need to clear my glasses. And now, Turkish hamam. They will basically rub my skin off, the old skin. And this is the rooftop area. You have here the lounge. You can order here drinks, food, whatever you wish. This is just amazing. It's I would say this is for sure one of the best views you can get in Izmir. Right, I want to show you the business lounge. let's enjoy this food. And by the way, this is for free. Like if you're a titanium platinum member in the Marriott Bonvoy loyalty program, lounge access is for free. So cheers, guys. Let's go check out the breakfast room, shall we? Beautiful breakfast area here. Look at my view. Like, look at this view. You eat your breakfast and you enjoy this beautiful view. You can catch also here soccer stars, Turkish soccer stars, eating right in this restaurant. Happened already twice during my stay, right? What kind of start of the day in Turkey is without Turkish chai? Cheers. Half to half, this is the Turkish black tea. Check it out. In case you like this video, you know what to do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is my review of the Hotel Marriott in Izmir, Turkey. Value for money, for sure 9 or 9.5 out of 10, I'm not so sure. Like you pay an average like standard rate, I believe. Of course, I don't take any responsibility on the rates, but like a standard rate depending on season, so on. It's like 110, 120 euros a night, and like for this price you get a seafront property, like a very nice, beautiful room with a sea view. So location 9.5 out of 10. Like I'm not sure which one of those both. Alright, service. 9 out of 10. The rooms are clear, the hotel is clean. You know, they fulfill all of your wishes. You know, the breakfast is great. 9 out of 10 for sure. And for dining, definitely like 9.5 out of 10. This is for sure one of the best hotels in Izmir, and not even in Turkey. I mean, the hotel is one thing and the location is another thing, and here you have both of them. Like, and also great restaurants, just a couple of like minutes away from the hotel. You can have like very delicious dinner in the hotel as well, so you have all those options. Like, and, you know, visit Izmir and check out the bazaar. The bazaar is also very nice. I highly recommend to visit the bazaar when you visit in Izmir. Yeah, it's just great, you know. Yeah, and all in all, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, you know what to do, and subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.